The sauce boss of Nona Vegan Foods. I'm joined by my fellow female founders here. We've got Carolyn, the patty queen of Choose Life Foods. Yeah! Amazing patties. And then we've got Lauren, the chief dessert designer at Shockingly Healthy. Woo! And we are all part of the Canadian Women in Food, which is a really awesome association that helps us get some visibility in this industry, which is lovely. So thanks so much for having us. Cashews actually make a really good creamy sauce base. So all my sauces are cashew based, like a really time cumbersome dish on your menu. This is a really good alternative. So this is just rice, and I'm going to mix in some of our herbed Alfredo style sauce just to give it that rich, creamy, herbed flavor. All right, next up, nachos, which I'm gonna give you some samples to eat. I love a blue corn tortilla. I think it looks so pretty. It just pops on the plate. We're gonna top that with a little bit of salsa. And then we've got our delicious smoky mac food service sauce. So this one has a combination of our cheesy style and our smoky carbonara sauce. So it's a really good alternative for nachos. I know a lot of pubs serve nachos, which again, if I'm at a restaurant, I would have to ask for with no cheese, with no sour cream, with no anything on top, and it's kind of lackluster. But this, bam, it makes an easy, delicious nacho dish.
So I'm Lauren Brewer. I'm the founder of Shockingly Healthy. I am a holistic nutritionist, but I love dessert. So my business is really my way of solving that problem and bridging the gap between really, really decadent tasting desserts, nutrient-dense foods, and allergen-free foods. So we make a line. We have a few flavors of squares and a few flavors of cookies. Everything we make is gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, but I care a lot more about what's in the product, not only what isn't. So like when you're going to the store and you see that kind of better for you stuff, as far as dessert, you're gonna find a lot of the free from, but when you pick up the product, you're gonna see a ton of sugar. You're usually gonna see sugar as the first ingredient, more as a filler, not really for taste. So that's one of the things that really sets us apart. So the main ingredient in our brownies is whole chickpeas that we puree. And they're sweetened with dates, so you're getting real food, protein, fiber, but it tastes like a rich flourless chocolate cake, right? You would never know. That's where we get the name Shockingly Healthy. We were always just describing it as Shockingly Healthy, so we finally took that name because people could never believe what it's made of. So that brownie, main ingredient chickpea, we're never using sweeteners as the first ingredient. They're sweetened with dates. There's a little sweetness from the dark chocolate chips. So significantly better for you than other desserts on the market.
Hi, my name is Carolyn Simon. I am the patty queen and CPS chief problem solver at Choose Life Foods, where we make vegan Jamaican patties using natural and quality ingredients. So let's say here we have a patty. You take out the patty. You could add dressing if you like, but this is my favorite way to eat a patty. I have some of the beefless mild available for you to taste, as well as the coconut kale. The patties are available in retail in health food stores like Organic Garage, Sweet Potato. It'll be in Whole Foods next year at the end of January, and other stores. So I hope that you enjoyed this presentation, and I hope you enjoyed the patties and all the other things we prepared for you.
Yay! Yay. Awesome. These are the best, and hopefully soon in restaurants too. Hey,
Yes.
hey, hey.